get there. Let's say they get there on Saturday, right? We hit them Sunday, like because Trump
Mm,
loves to do this shit when the markets are closed, so it doesn't make as big as an impact on the market.
true.
Haven't you thought about that? Everything that he's done, it's been when the market's closed. All that high impact news that we get,
That's true.
the bunker buster tariffs, all that shit, and it's smart because it won't fucking cause a circuit breaker. But let's see what happens this time. If it happens on the weekend, if it happens, this is just my theory. Okay, it's all theoretical. All right, this is when traders are starting to get active right now. Fucking
Making a move up here.
and then this is the short right here. Watch. Look at that. Oh shit! I accidentally did 12 minis. Fuck it. I'm gonna keep it. Let's let this shit ride, Sergio. Should I let it ride? Fuck it.
No. Well, it depends on what you have in there.
It's not yet. We got buffer. We're good.
Well, I guess I will pay our insurance.
What?
Okay. Okay. So you see that divergence right there that I made, Sergio?
Mm-hmm.
Monica fixed it. Look at how much we have to pay now.
Do you see it?
How much do we have to pay for?
Six
Yep.
something.
Oh fuck, that's a huge
Said I
difference.
don't
This
trade
could
free
be.
markets, so
So, yeah,
All
no.
right. All right, Mister. I don't trade pre-market.
Fuck, we pay that much for insurance? Jesus. So 90s.
Yeah,
Did you sleep well last night?
I did actually. I'm
What the fuck
tired.
happened?
You were fucking pissed last night.
Oh, like I'm telling you, I'm competitive, dude. I'm naturally competitive in everything.
Is that why you need a Urus, my boy?
Nah, I mean, in certain aspects, in aspects that I feel like we could control the outcome in some way. Yeah, I'm competitive as fuck. I've always been that way. But I slept like a baby. Fuck it.
Dude, I did
I
too.
was
I woke
tired.
up.
I came right from the gym. So
No, exactly. My eyes were fucking heavy, and I just woke up like at 6:08, and I was getting ready to smoke and go back to bed, and looked at the time. I was like, "Fuck, I gotta get up."
hmm. Hey,
On a short at 853 is already break even. Let's see. It's probably gonna still fuck around.
Order filled.
feeling my way through the darkness.
The fuck kind of closure is that? Isn't there a meaning for mid-body closes?
7:24. 6 more minutes. I didn't get into a small trade with super tight stops.
Shorts looking green here.
Stop filled.
Jesus. I got stopped out. Damn, I was loud. What the fuck?
Really got stopped? Oh my god, Devin. Devin, please tell me you've seen that.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Devin,
90s.
you're up right now. 12 fucking
It's not
minutes.
gonna hold it till open, I guess.
90s. I am making your peanut butter cookies today.
Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that sounds
Bella, you're
good.
taking up
I
the
had a. That was so loud. Gee, that was loud. Stop filled. I'm thinking about going long.
I went long. 835s. Stop loss at the bottom of
That
that
would have been
wick.
your entry right there. Let's see what open does.
What?
Oof.
How am I
You still have
trading?
gap fill all the way at the bottom there.
How am I trading? I hit buy and it entered me in. I'm on Tradeify, honey. Every firm has different things, but you can trade pre-market. Like if you entered a trade right now, it would enter you in. That still closed red as a 2-minute, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me.
Yeah, they're gonna try and hold it here till open and then dump it. Watch. Then it's to the floor.
It could possibly do that.
Probably gonna hold my long.
But there is a bullish. You're only seeing one side. There is bullish divergence. NQ didn't
No,
take.
yeah, there is bullish divergence at the bottom. Yeah.
Yep. NQ didn't take out 1:40 a.m. London lows. SPX did by a mile.
Mm-hmm.
TP'd at 186.
But it's that same thing. It's the same thing at the top.
Yeah, but we'll see what the Bulls want to do or the Bears.
Let's see.
Took a little 200 before
Damn.
market.
Oh, damn.
Oh no, it did that. Oh, I
And
TP'd too.
oh my gosh.
I just TP'd. Oh well.
He said, I just TP. Bro, this is even more divergence right here. It just smacked that high again. Look at that, Sergio. Market's not even open yet. This might be that manipulation.
Yeah, that's not even SPX. Not even close to that high.
Yeah, nowhere near it. And look at that. Oh my gosh, I got in at the 7.5s. We're in from the 7.5s. Okay. Hi, KP.
What a fucking bitch. Enter me.
What's Hannon? What's Hannon? What's Hannon? What's up, buddy?
Yeah,
Been a minute, my boy.
yeah, that's my bad, bro.
It be like that, bro. You ready to get back to it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm thinking about shorts.
I log in and everything.
More minute till open. Got tagged out, and then it's.
Should have waited for that open there.
Yep, I was trying to enter, but it fucking just waked up real hard.
It fucking wake me out. Now it's all making that move down. Now it's making it move up. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a second.
Anybody got anything off top, or you guys waiting?
Did a little quick 200 before market open, but waiting. Fuck, I really wanted to enter on that. God damn it, dude.
I'm about to enter I'm about to enter a put after this 5-minute candle closes.
Okay.
Going in.
I entered 2 longs and I'm down $300 pretty much on all accounts, and it's been going up.
That doesn't even make sense.
It closed. I closed on the wick downs.
Yeah.
Okay, this shit's just too volatile.
This is crazy. Every time it's wicked down, it's closed harder. Let's see. Got me in a long.
I'm short, bro. Click this.
Bless you.
Ooh, Iran.
Remember, guys, it's OPEX.
Ooh, what time?
Isn't it today?
Yes, today.
Yeah, yearly OPEX. This is the biggest one.
You guys trade that normally?
Yeah, you just gotta get out. It's not.
Oh, shit. Is that like a meeting or
What?
something? Or?
No, options expiration, yearlies.
Wait until they wake up, okay?
Okay. I see what you're saying.
No, this is
Yeah,
switching.
so
Wait,
like the yearly
okay?
swing, they expire today on the 16th. And 116, 26.
Like stock options?
Mm-hmm. So a lot of strength is going to be taken out the market today. So my thing is potentially on Monday or Tuesday we could see a big move.
Yeah. That might be good for trading. I think.
Mm-hmm.
There's a resistance right here, isn't there?
Everybody's trying to get those 7,000 SPX calls in the money for the last day. Imagine they rug pull them. Oh my gosh. Dude, that would be the biggest rug pull because 7,000 was like the biggest psychological number for everybody, bruh.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
I went ahead and bought a short.
Yeah, I
We'll
mean,
see
it's
how we do.
that NQ took out that high, and SPX isn't able to take out that high so far. Damn, and I freaking missed my entry. Now it's kind of making the move down.
That top candle was the entry right there that I got stopped out on.
That was a nice, like, little move up.
Yeah, that trap right there, that was like perfect.
Mm. It's just tricky because it is showing that it took out that high, but we're now moving sideways from it. Like, it needs to. It's either gonna do
It's because
the same thing as
there's a lot of
yesterday.
people trying to fucking buy that shit up to 7,000. That's why.
No, but if you look at the order book, it's the same. Like both positions are like fighting.
They're trying to get those 7,000 calls, bro.
Man, my paycheck came in this morning. I happened to be awake when it came in, so I started paying bills. Within like 2 hours, nigga, about 80% of that shit was gone. That shit was
I
funny. I
feel
was
that
like,
one, nigga, within an hour, bro. Within like 20 minutes, bro.
Now it's
man,
making that move. I entered
I
a
was gonna
short at the
sleep
time and
in,
I
but I'm like,
stopped
nah,
out
man, I
break
need
even.
some money.
Go check.
Yes, Bella. Do you need to go potty
Imagine we go to
outside?
fucking
Do you need to go potty outside?
6,700 today.
Need to go potty?
Hell no. That's way
No,
too
God,
much.
no.
It's 3%.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot.
It's gonna do that. If it does, it's gonna do it off of like super bad news or something. Still holding this.
I know.
So far, this is what I was gonna say. The main divergence happened Wednesday on that move down. Ever since that move down, when you extrapolate and look at the following days, we have not been able to pierce lower. Even though yesterday we had a down day, right? But look what the Bulls were able to do overnight. Like it hasn't been able to go back below those moving averages or get close to those lows.
NQ took that devil's mark on the 4 hour. Yeah, we got divergence on this 4 hour candle from Thursday at 12 p.m. to and 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. your time, Sergio.
12 p.m. my time.
Yeah, on the 4 hour. NQ took it out. SPX didn't.
This is so choppy.
Right there at the top of that wick, that was the top. That was when it took out that high.
Look at those wigs. They look ugly.
I know. It makes me feel like it's just gonna fall off a cliff soon. That 100-pointer is coming.
Finally gonna close down here.
Finally breaking some lows there.
Did you get to enter?
Nope.
hey, let's go. I'm friends to this bitch right now. Though. Ah, fuck.
Damn, privacy coins are finally mooning on crypto. Wow.
What's moaning? Wow.
I'm just getting clapped.
Wait, I want to see you live while getting clapped.
I am. I'm live
Wait,
streaming.
pause.
Oh no.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm already down
Okay.
340s on all accounts. $340 on all accounts.
Are you positive you're live streaming?
Yep.
Or is it on Twitch?
It's on YouTube.
Ah, gotcha.
And that move right there, I was short, and it got me out, and now it's making the move down.
I need to get my setup all good, bro. But next week I'm gonna be on with y'all.
Ain't that some booty cheeks right there? What the fuck? Now I would have been up nicely.
Stop
I
loss
know. I
was
ended up shorting that.
846s. Probably stopped out, but whatever.
Yeah, I just edited that shit. Just in case.
Leon said, just in case.
I went 3 micros and BNE there.
And there we go back up. Yeah, I can't wait to start trading fucking micros with you guys. I don't even feel like a Friday, to be honest. Order field. Is that what that was?
You know,
Oh.
TP right there. Wow, good thing I TP'd. Holy shit, that popped back up.
The fuck? What? Did that like? Wait, what? What the?
90s dog, please.
Yeah, well, wait.
Is this gonna be another live stream like
I know,
old
like
days?
last time. Blow 5 evals like in 2 days.
Buy more, buy
All right, nigga, listen, chill.
We said check
No,
in next week.
I had a sell limit, and I went to go look at the stream to make sure it was running good. And I go back, and the sound is gone. What the hell happened? I had a sell and I had a buy. No, I had a sell and I had a buy limit.
Where'd you post this shit though? That you're going live.
They posted announcements.
Gotcha.
Pretty sure it's not there.
No.
Let me see.
Journal.
The thing is, NQ's still holding that. ES isn't though.
ES is holding it, and Q's not. And Q is still fading lower, and
Well, holding the lows. I mean, like.
yeah, ES is holding those lows better than NQ or SPX.
Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. They want those 7,000. They want that 7,000. Bad.
Just really do not want to play that game.
Dude, honestly, I don't think we're giving those 116 traders 7,000 today, bro. I think
That's
we're
why,
just gonna rug pull them, bro.
that's why I
And like,
said
thing is, the
that.
more calls that they buy, bro, like, wouldn't it make a bigger short?
I don't want to sit here and be a fucking like pawn. You know what I mean?
Hey, I'm short, bro. So fuck the Bulls, bro. Today,
I just made
Bulls
like
use my
400
nuts.
all
Fuck the Bulls, Grant.
it was Nasdaq. I bought that dip at like 8.15, and then it ripped to like almost 8.40.
Oh yeah, lit.
I'm good for the day. Shit.
What on 1 mini?
Yeah, on a Nasdaq mini, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a beautiful trade.
Nah, man, we still got more time. Log in.
Nah, you're right. You're right.
Nah, don't listen to me. Nah, listen to me.
He said, "Do not." Hey, I was just joking.
Maybe I just go with like minis the rest of the day or micros.
Yeah.
Take
I don't
another
know.
break.
I need to get some options positions on.
SPX looks way cleaner or way choppier.
Okay, so Grant,
Thank you.
honestly,
Yeah.
right. So, did you hear about what's going on with TSM?
No, not really.
So, I honestly think there might be a play, although like semiconductors is overhyped right now. I
Yeah.
think that so why Intel's been ripping is because TSM cannot produce. They hit a production wall with their
Okay.
semiconductors, and that opens up Intel and SMCI. So I think that SMCI might be the play right now. They're down 45% in the last 3 months.
Yeah. Oh, it's up hella this morning.
Yeah. I was just looking at it yesterday and it was up 1%. And then I look at it today, god damn, it's up 6% already. Fuck. So I think that it might be time to get some calls towards those highs, bro. Like, look, it's just breaking resistance. Next place we can see is 35, then maybe 40, 50.
Yep.
And SMCI is a US based manufacturer for semiconductors. And you know Trump would like that because you know he doesn't want any other manufacturing out. He doesn't want the manufacturing outside of the US.
Yeah. Trying to think of how I want to play this.
And if you think about it, right, you think about wartime. The reason that we won the wars that we did before was because of our manufacturing capabilities. And that's where we lack right now. And that's why we're trying to step it up. We gave out a lot of the outhouse manufacturing.
Yep.
Oh yeah, these shorts are printing.
I don't like how slow it is right now. Glad I TP'd when I did. It just came back
I just
down.
want SPX to just break this 200, and then we are dumping straight to those lows to gap fill, and then we can maybe target yesterday's gap fill because it's right there after we gap fill.
Trying to see if NQ takes some lows and if SPX holds. Yeah, so far we've been making lower highs since yesterday. I mean, since Tuesday. Tuesday was a high. Thursday lower high, and then right today lower high
Mm-hmm.
with a nice bearish divergence today.
Divergence.
That pop up, was that right at an open? I don't think that was right at open.
No, it
Oh
was
yeah, it
last
was at
night.
open. It was at open. That
It
move
did.
up.
Well, yeah, that popped up. But the real top, bro. Look, did you mark out that level that I told you?
Yeah, I seen it.
Yeah. Just draw a horizontal line on your chart at 976 on SPX, 976.68. Or hold on, am I at the right one? No, I fucking moved it. Fuck. Hold on. Oh yeah, yeah. It's nine. Oh, no, it's not. Fuck. Hold on.
Just looking heavy. NQ just took out the low. Now let's see if we can take out
Okay,
a
yeah.
London
On
low.
SPX, draw up this one. I was on cash. 971.18. Draw that low, and then on NQ, draw out. It is 860.50 on NQ. NQ in the morning, we even took it out again, made higher highs.
Below 800.
Did you draw that line?
Yep, we're below 8 now.
You'll see, and then it gave you that. It gave you the perfect entry right there at open. For the shorts, double divergence to the lows, and it cleared that 4 hour too, and it made that 4 hour divergence. So that's just even more bearish.
NQ took out London low. That same London low that SPX already took out. Straight waterfall.
Just TP'd.
Oh my god! And that last short was, I think it was a short at the 843s with the stops like, hey. Oh no. Look at that.
Just falling, Luke, bro.
Yeah. You have both SPX and NQ taking out the lows.
You want to get back in, but
Why does that settle cash minus 49?
that was cool. Cool little trade.
Just by how heavy it looks, obviously. If it can't hold here and we just continue to make that move down, there's really nothing. I mean, there's the gap fill, but I mean, you can even target yesterday's lows, like cash close lows, and at that point, I mean, like I said,
back up, though.
no, yeah, it might, like if it holds here.
Hopefully, you get a retracement.
Fuck a retracement, nigga.
You short?
Yeah.
And
Damn.
it's for Tesla too. Fuck it.
Yeah, bro. I TP'd, but shit's looking juicy, bro.
There's still that gap on SPX.
I don't want to fucking force
We ain't filled it yet.
Oh yeah, there's that gap. Oh shit. Fuck it.
We're just in the air right now.
Greedy? Am I a greedy fuck? feeling today? I don't know, bro. That gap looks fillable.
It's going towards that gap. It's right there. You got about 2 points on SPX.
Get, might go in.
Ooh, a little 50-point sell off. That's nice.
Hey, are you buying any options today, Smiley?
I mean, I'm in put still. Oh my
I just got
gosh, we lit right now, guys. We lit.
a Tesla put.
All right, I'm closing. I'm done. There we go.
Gap filled
Yeah.
on SPX, right? I think
I'm done. I got filled on SPX and I shorted on NQ.
6-4.
6
There
minis.
we go. Now it went.
I'm done.
6 minis. How much did you make?
Look, I sent in the chat.
Hold up. Hold up.
All right, General.
All right, there you go. I'm out of my positions now.
You got it, gang. You got it, gang.
What? 14K?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with all that money, bro?
Yeah, okay.
Times 5.
Pay taxes.
Pay taxes.
You got it, gang.
Fuck.
You fucking got it.
Are you gonna buy an Lambo or something?
Hell nah. Maybe after 100. A couple hundred in a day.
I wouldn't even do that. I wouldn't even do it. Actually, you can do whatever you want.
The Lambo
Hey,
I want's
Smiley.
like a bill.
Make $1 million play today, man. With that profit.
Hell nah.
You
I
got it.
wish I could hit $1 million play.
So wait, what's the once you make a bunch of money and you're funded, do you eventually just switch to trading your own money?
Yeah,
You
it's
can.
it's better taxes if you want to trade your own money. It's way better tax
And
advantage.
what does that look like? You just go deposit it into some other brokerage, like Tasty Trade or something?
Yep.
Okay.
Or Weeble.
You could deposit it on Tradeovate too if you want.
On what?
Tradeovate. That's what a lot of platforms use as their platforms.
Yeah, it's a broker.
Nice.
It's like Tasty Trade type shit.
Okay.
Straight
I'm still in
meltdown.
trade, so I use Weeble.
Yeah,
Oh my
Tasty Trade
gosh.
for scalping it can be slow.
How was that?
Who also caught this dump, bruh?
Ralito.
Fuck no, I'm-
Yo, bro, what's good, gang? Smiley, so
What's up with my boy?
What's up?
Yo, nigga, what the fuck is this dump, bro? Yo,
That's my nigga Ralito, bro.
holy gee. What's good, gang?
Fuck. Ralito got me crying.
Yo, Smiley, bro, what's up with you, man?
What's up with you, Ralito? I see you're feeling good today.
Yo, I'm feeling great, man. I'm feeling fantastic, bro.
Damn,
My nigga. Where's Adrian at, bro?
That nigga probably asleep, bro. This nigga's always late for open, bro.
I know, bro.
Yo, what you
You're not
caught,
live.
bro? Let me see.
You're not live today, huh, 90s?
Yep.
Yeah, he's live right now.
Live, and I'm negative like $500
Sergio.
Oh, nigga.
on all accounts, and they were good trades too. Long kind
I
of the
know.
open, kind of fucked me, and then I shorted the move, the deviation. It kind of fucked me.
How much did you make today? 90s?
Nothing. I'm down.
Oh fuck. Oh, you were trying to long.
I longed at a little bit before open, and I got stopped out, and then it moved up. Then I shorted after that pop up at open, and then those wicks on the upside took me out, and then it moved down.
Oh yeah.
So good thesis, just bad execution, and too tight of stops. Like it was too tight. The big one was, I think, on NQ. I longed the 862s, and then it made that move down. Then it made that wick up, which I wanted to get some of that divergence before I shorted, and then it dumped.
Yeah,
I think that was a big one. That looks straight heavy though. I mean, at this point,
Yeah.
It's a tough area though.
Yeah, you're at lows now on SPX.
Yeah, that's why I'm just waiting right here.
Yeah,
It could
I
fill
gotta.
that other gap though. If it fills that other gap, we're cooking. We are cooking, boys. We are officially cooking.
Yeah, right now it looks super bearish. Like, super
Smiley.
bearish.
Yo,
Yo, you got out the shorts or you still in it?
yeah, I got out. I didn't hold it. I should have held it. I got nervous.
Nigga got nervous. Yeah. I feel you, bro, because these random does be cooking niggas, man.
I got nervous, bro. I was like, bro, I'm not trying to see you fucking wake up, bro.
You trading live? 5 lives?
No, just one.
How much you up?
Just a 14 today.
Nice. Nice, buddy. Yo, bruh.
That was insane.
Feel like going on a walk, bruh. I ain't gonna lie to you, nigga.
Fuck that. It's cold as shit out here where
This
I'm
nigga
at.
said, I feel like going on a walk now. Ralito, who are you turning into? Don't
Yo,
start
bro.
copying me now. I'm talking
Nah,
about
bro. I ain't been
walks.
in BC, bro. I've been getting cooked, nigga. That's why, bro. This nigga Adrian, bro.
Where's
Nigga,
Adrian at?
this nigga sleeping, bro.
He was on yesterday.
Probably
He
sleeping.
was on for a little bit, right?
Yeah, I called him. I don't know what he doing.
He was on in the morning, huh? Okay. Now I gotta go to work and shit. Fuck.
Call them niggas.
Nigga, I wish I had that problem, nigga. Yo. See, bro, now I gotta lose mad, bro. I make way too much on you.
What's up then? See? You see the rejection right there?
I'm wanted SPX to come back down and just at least take that low.
But we could,
Yesterday's low.
it's probably just bouncing because it hit that gap. But honestly, the other gap is only what? 20 more points from here.
Come on, man. Start booty shaking. Show me some ass.
No, bruh.
Drop it.
And then there's another gap. If we don't fill that, there's another gap at 68, at 68.57.
Gap, this, gap, that.
There's 3 gaps. Imagine we filled 3 gaps today. That would be insane. But we'll see what happens here.
Be coming, I'm short, bro.
Yeah.
That would be a 1% day.
I might have to get out of this shit.
Leon had euphoria. Did you go negative on your shorts?
Hell no. I got in and got out.
Okay, good. I was about to say, don't tell me that you went negative, bro.
I'm telling you, bro, I'm no longer betting while I have to go to work.
Yeah, don't do
Because
that.
I don't like to do stop losses. I like to sit there and manually get in, get out. You know, jab in, jab out.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I like
You'll
to
get
do.
wicked out like that, bro. Be careful, bro.
No, I know. It's a habit. I'm learning. But my point being is that that's how I'm doing it right now. And then when I go to work, that's when I get fucked because I be trying, work and do this. Nah, that shit doesn't work out.
Well,
Yeah, that's why you gotta hit it
you gotta
before
work
work,
on
bro.
you gotta work on what, like open? As soon as market open?
No, I don't go. I don't clock in till 8 o'clock. But
Or
but that's still, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll open some contracts in the morning, and then I'm like, I'll see how they go. I don't know.
yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. When I used to work in the morning, bro, like nigga, I had to change my whole schedule, bro. I had to work at night, bro. And this shit sucks, bro. I gotta get out at like 1 a.m. I gotta wake up like at 6 a.m. Go to the gym, bro. So it sucks,
I'm,
nigga. But shit,
I'm chilling out because I have Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays off, so I'm just gonna use those days to trade.
See, I fit it all in one 8-hour block. All of it. Work and
Who
trading.
hit that order fill?
I have to be smiling.
That'd be
Can
me.
you
Nah.
shut up, nigga?
I think we found out.
Nah, it's cause I'm trying to lose bad. I made like 8 racks, nigga, on my eval, nigga.
This guy.
I gotta lose bad, bro. Oh wait, nigga, I extended my TP for like a split second and then it dumped, bro. Cause nigga, I had the wrong TP, nigga.
Alright.
So
Oh shit! I didn't even know I closed my position. What the fuck?
You didn't get filled, huh?
I did get failed.
Oh.
That's some bullshit.
that's a bitch. That's a bitch. Yeah, where's your
Fuck
ass,
it,
bro?
bro. Let's go to work now. Let's
I don't know
be
why you're
fucking.
working, bro.
Because, bro, we're not gonna overtrade.
We're
Yo,
not overtrading, nigga.
Smiley, can you hire me?
You want to move out to Cali, bro? Come
Dude,
on.
low key, kind of.
Hell no, you don't want to do that.
Nah, for real, bro.
My sister lives. Oh,
Grant,
wait, yo.
trust me, bro. That what you're making in options is not gonna cut it. Out here,
What
bro,
you mean?
a 1 bedroom apartment is $4,000 a month, bro.
Hell
Fuck.
You're
He said,
bugging, bro.
"Fuck."
You're lying, nigga.
Fuck.
You're probably on the cheaper side as well, like 2K probably.
3?
Yeah, it's
Bro,
fucking
I pay
sad out there.
$500 a month for rent.
Yeah, you're in.
What?
Yeah,
I haven't seen those numbers. I have never seen those numbers in my life.
Since I was born.
In my life.
Yo, wait, you live
I
in
thought you were talking about a room. Not even a room is that much. A room is like 1,200, 1,500.
You live in San Francisco, right?
Like that area, yeah. I live like within 45 minutes from it.
You
From
listen
there.
to Larry June?
No, a lot of people
Oh,
out here do though.
I
Like,
fuck
but
with him.
it's just not my type of guy. You know what I'm saying?
What about like Burner?
Yeah, I used to slap burner and shit.
Yeah.
Fucking burner's a real staple out here though. He be popping out sometimes. The cookie store out here and shit. It's hella
Yeah.
dope.
Yeah, that boy's certified down there. Anywhere you go.
Yeah, facts. Facts. People will hop out their cars for Burner. Burner's a bigger celebrity than Steph Curry out here, bro.
Yeah, he's a G.
I wouldn't
Burner's
say
a
all
real.
that, but
Nah, fuck that, bro. Burner's a real celebrity. Fuck Steph Curry, bro.
talking about Burner, the cookies guy.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
that's what I'm saying.
Nah.
Hey,
This
hey,
guy.
I saw this question
Hey,
online.
bro, I go up
I
to
mean, I know
Burner
who
and
he is
ask
though.
him
I
for a
know who he
picture
is.
before Steph Curry. Real shit. Real shit.
For what? Why?
Get an
Because, bro.
attention from Steph Curry. Nigga,
Steph
fuck
Curry's
that.
from Charlotte. That's where I'm
Burner's
located.
like an original Bay Area staple, bro. Like he made the Bay Area, bro. Damn near.
Tell me what you got. Tell me what you got.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, the hypey era, bro. Oh my gosh. Leon, you're from the Bay, no?
No, I'm from LA, South Central.
Uh,
Is the place to be?
so you're the ops, bro.
Yeah, I'm bro. I literally grew up around with them niggas, fucking Ice Cube and Picasso. Grew up around.
I'm weak.
You think we get some follow through to the downside here?
Never going back.
I want that.
Can't be that
Normally,
bad. I watched
so I'm
NWA.
down 500 on all
Honestly, I
5
think we
accounts.
can.
So I want to. I'm not trading here because I missed a short. I want to see some type of. I want to see SPX take out the low. It got close enough, but shit, dude, that could have been
Nah,
it.
Sergio, I think so we hit gap fill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then right after we hit gap fill, we bounced right here. Now we're crawling up on the 200 moving average at like we just bounced, cleared that 9 and that 21. Now we're hovering right above that 21. We're about to hit this 200. I think after we hit this 200, we can start seeing some rejection to the downside.
Yeah, I mean we can, but what I'm saying is SPX got super close to yesterday's low, like
Maybe
by a
here.
couple points, and NQ is still holding nicely above. Not as much, but you're still. I want this to kind of roll over and see if we can take those lows in one
Yeah.
of them.
I
Honestly,
think it's gonna roll over here, potentially.
like if XPX can move down to, let's say, like the 920s or something like that, 920s, 930s, and that all that does is take NQ to finally test yesterday's low, I might take a long.
Okay.
By longs, you guys mean calls, right?
Calls?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, it does look, like I said, it does look heavy though, like really fucking heavy. It does seem like
Low
today,
volume on a big candle. What would that tell you guys?
low volume on a big candle. Is that what you said?
Yeah,
It's because it's
it's easier.
OPEX, so it's easier to slice through levels. That's the thing. It's easier to slice through levels. Especially if there's a lot of people that are not participating during OPEX. You get these levels and slice, slice, slice.
Can both slice. Hey, what do you guys think about the new healthcare plan system that's they want to put into play?
What is it? I haven't even heard nothing
Is
about it.
that true? I
I
So
saw a
haven't heard
basically,
video. I
they
don't know
give.
if it was
So
fake.
basically, instead of getting like Medi-Cal and shit like that, they're gonna give the citizens the money in like an account, and they spend it with whatever healthcare company they choose.
So they're
It's
just gonna give us the
TP'd
money to
again.
buy it,
So
pretty much.
basically, we can't use more of their money, is what it sounds like, as insurance money. They might limit us.
Basically, instead of the money going directly to the insurance companies, you get to pick and choose who you want insurance from.
Yeah,
So it's better. It's honestly better for the citizen.
yeah, it
It
is.
is until they forget to
Depending
fucking
on who it
use that
is.
money for insurance.
Well, I mean, they're probably going to only be able to use that money for insurance. But the thing is, they are prepaying billions of dollars in healthcare for these company to these healthcare companies with when majority of people don't even fucking go to the doctor, bro. So it's like
It's true. It wasn't until recently I started using my citizenship for my healthcare plan.
exactly. All right, I got to go to work though, guys.
All right, bro.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Drop
Later.
Have fun. Talk to you
Let's
guys
get
later.
it.
Do I keep trading? Do I settle
Oh,
there?
Javi did minis.
Damn, bro.
Shit, Javi.
What if it just holds right here the whole day?
He stressed.
That's what I'm saying. It's OPEX. I've seen, like, in OPEX, I've seen moves where you have this type of down move, and then we end up green for the day. And then I've seen the vice versa, where we have a good, almost 200-point move to the upside, and then you end up red for the day. Right? That's OPEX, bro. Like it. A lot of people don't trade in. That's why you get this like thin volume, and that's why these levels tend to just get sliced and sliced and sliced.
Let's see, where's Tesla at? Damn, I should have kept fucking.
Bullish SMT, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Plug. Yo, Johnson and Johnson fucked me up last week. never fucking with them again.
Johnson and Johnson. This might get a slice through this level here.
Shit. Let's see.
NQ taking out those lows. See if NQ can go a little bit lower. Take out the actual low here from yesterday.
You'll get a new phone, man. My screen cracked. Buttons won't click.
Come on. SPX is now holding nicely. So if NQ can do the favor in taking out those lows, see if I'll probably get in some longs. I zoom out though, this shit does look heavy. It should fuck it looks like yeesh. It looks heavy. I remember like normally with OPEX, after OPEX and expiration, you tend to get like this window of weakness. So if we do go down during the window of weakness, yeah, we can probably mount a little bit lower. But if we still are able to hold somewhere up here, that's also good, especially during those low volume. Is NQ still making that move down? Yeah, NQ is okay.
Either way, a nice short in the morning would have been paying, huh?
Yeah, and that's why I got into that short too, because it gave you the opportunity, gave you the signal, you know. NQ
did.
and NQ took out a London high at 4:24 my time, 3:24 your time, and SPX wasn't able to take that same high out. And then we wicked there. That's where I got chopped up and I lost a lot of money. And then you made that move down.
So there we go.
Is it drawing towards this 4-hour gap?
Ooh, SPX is moving down too with it. NQ took out the low, took out yesterday's low. NQ took out yesterday's low. SPX is right there, about to catch up too. So, excuse me. We just slicing through these levels. Damn, look at the. Since open, if you would have gotten a short right at open, to now, and not even an hour holding this short, that's 200 points. What the fuck? Oh my goodness gracious.
All before I would have had to clock in.
Mm-hmm.
I love America.
Let's see what it wants to do here. Then you have this trend line that we're still pretty much printing lower highs. Here's where you start to get some fuckery at OPEX. We're back at the yesterday's lows. If liquidity is thin and the bears are still in control, you're gonna start seeing that level get smashed. But if bulls start to step in somewhere, then we can start holding. Probably pierce that low and start holding it.
Probably won't step in until like 9 a.m.
It just doesn't look like. I
Wow.
mean, there's really nothing I see that makes me think that it's gonna hold this as of now. It seems like there is a higher probability that we could hit on NQ today 595s. If we start breaking below that consolidation area that we had on Wednesday, you can probably target Wednesday's low at the 425s. It's honestly what, like, I mean, and it sucks now because if that happens, if you're kind of still shorting, like let's say you short somewhere here, 700s or whatever, you're still kind of shorting the lows, and that's the scary thing. Is sometimes you short the lows, you get a nice pop up, like higher than what you expect, and then it starts to roll over to those targets.
How can how can I go to your live stream?
It's in the chat. They're not putting in the chat.
General?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't put in the chat. Look.
I'm streaming it because 90s fucking forgot.
Okay, I was okay.
Look at
I figured.
Blue 5 Pro accounts again back on the grind. That's the thing. Yeah, you'll see I'm negative 492 on all accounts. So that's normally that's pushing it too. I normally on the 50Ks do the I want to risk probably lose about 250 to 3. I'm double that. Of course, I break my 2-week loss streak the day I decide to trade on only eval. And we're kind of holding that low on NQ. So far, we do have some bullish. NQ was able to hold that low, and SPX was not able to. But we'll see what. Fuck! I knew I should have taken some that long. I don't want to add no more L's to my shit. You know. I really don't. And they gave that setup that I'm familiar with, where you had a nice move down, green candle. See if it continues lower, but if it doesn't, it'll wick it. Then your entry's here, your stop loss is here. Didn't even take that one. Should have just taken it.
Might step in, bro. Hold on.
Yeah. Shit, I missed that one too. Good take of the lows on NQ. SPX still holding it there with a nice double bottom. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Just don't want to be I don't want to be taking these L's on these accounts.
So what do we take, boys? The high or the low first of the day? I can't tell yet, so I'm not doing anything.
I'm so enticed to
really see this go either way.
Yeah, it's OPEX too. Like I told you, I've seen things where you get from point A to point B real fast, and then it has like a mean reversion. Like I've seen that happen. I've seen that happen a lot.
Yeah, you don't have. I found that you don't have to be scared when it comes into your level like super fast. You know.
No. You actually kind of
want that.
You kind of want that, yeah. It's when it's slow and controlled is where it's iffy.
Right. I hate seeing it grind into my level.
Let me do this.
I want like a spike, quick liquidity grab.
Let's see, now it's kind of.
That's where. Wait, where are you streaming on?
On YouTube. You'll see the L's. And now we're kind of going back down. Yep. That's why
bro,
I
I've seen that motherfucking trap, bro. It's a trap. Don't get set up by that trap. How'd everybody do today?
Negative.
How we doing? Shit.
Negative.
You should have took my trade, bro.
Dude, I took that short at the top. I got stopped out with those wicks.
Oh yeah, fucking long ass wick. I think we're gonna get a good continuation right now. But damn, bro, crazy work. Yo, those shorts in the morning though were fucking a cooker, bro. I know Smiley happy as fuck right now.
Yeah. So my guy's like, he's all like, yo, surge it, divergence at the top with that New York open candle. I'm like, yep. Now it looks like it's good for a short now. Because he was trying to short pre-market and then it made that move up. I'm like, now it looks good for that short.
Yeah, bro. Right now, it's tricky.
It is tricky right now. Super tricky.
I think this is gonna end
It's
up
because
being
we
another
already
trade day.
got It looks like price is being a little bit exhausted, but I mean sellers are still in control.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, that 10 a.m. candle, bro. That
Dude,
definitely
depressing.
puts sellers in control.
Nasty, bro. Yeah, I only took one trade, so.
That's all you
But I
need.
was like, bro, I was thinking, I was like, because I was at work and I was like, fuck, dude, if I would have caught those shorts in the beginning, that would have been it for the evals and shit. It's all good though.
It's always another wave, brother.
Yeah. But right now I got two 150K accounts, bro, that are already at 9K profits. So I'm ending the Friday good.
Good.
And then I got another one at 4K. And then I got two fresh 150K accounts. So I'm just trying to get them done, bro. But I'm gonna stay disciplined this time because I fucked up, But just take it day by day, Don't leverage too much.
Let's see what we do
Yeah,
here.
right now it's just looking like volume is kind of slowing down a little bit.
Yeah.
But you see how sellers, bro, they push that shit down, bro.
Seems like they want to continue to push it down too.
Yeah, I think they might. It's just buyers are trying to hold it right here. But if we break below this level, we're gonna get a fucking pretty
Another
good
move
dump,
down.
bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, what we could look at, if you look at the 15M, you could probably even get to like 600s from here. Or no, like possibly like 550, 560. And then get another bounce back.
And it does look, I mean, you've been making lower highs. You took out a low.
Yeah.
Is it going to fucking bounce off this low? Who fucking knows?
So you took an L on the evals?
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm about to take another one.
Oh, shit.
Oh, close it before it hits it. You want to see if that
Yeah,
low of that
bro.
candle held.
Yeah, bro, I'm over here cracked out on fucking. I drank some coffee and shit. So I was like fucking charting this shit out, bro. But right now it's just pure fucking dumb, bro.
Yeah, just going to wait to see if. So NQ is already back below yesterday's low. What
Yeah.
I want to see is if. Looks like SPX is going to hit that low as well.
Yeah.
So this is what I want. Like if it is going to hold here and if we are going to reverse probably halfway or something.
Yeah, I'm thinking we could reverse halfway, probably like fucking possibly get a reversal like around, let's say, like around 620.
Yeah, I could see that back in the like consolidation area that we had on Wednesday.
Yeah, exactly. Or we could just get a fucking full on volume, bro. Like with sellers and shit.
See, like right now it's enticing me to like that's what I'm saying. I don't even if we get to the 620s, it's enticing me to kind of get into
Take a
some
long.
longs, yeah. And that's when I feel like a nice bearish divergence. It's really a good idea.
The only thing that worries me is that I know that volume is kind of like going a little bit like up and like it's like slowing down a little bit, but I feel like that's kind of a trap, bro. Like usually what I've seen with NQ is when that happens, we usually get a fucking straight up like a big push in volume, bro, to like where the sellers were in control and shit. So Like right now, we're probably gonna get a big ass push to get that to all the way to like 620. Then I would probably take some lines. But I'm just waiting it out. I'm not trying to get into any trades.
Yeah, it looks heavy. Like freaking heavy. We have one candle close below that. SPX is just piercing that.
Yeah. Yeah, I was holding the fucking shorts, bro, for a cool minute. The ones that I took in the morning.
Yeah.
I was holding those for a good minute, and I think I was down like probably like 1.8K, and then that shit just like it flipped. I was like, yeah, bro, I'm glad that I did take them because I seen that we're probably gonna get a continuation. It was just I was waiting for sellers to pick up in volume.
These evos are probably gonna get cooked.
Don't say that, bro. Don't say that.
But if they don't, we're gonna pass.
Hey, you know what, bro? I've been in drawdown on a fucking funded account, and I remember, like, I went all the way to like 2.5K drawdown on a 50K account, and I ran it back up to like, I think probably like 3K in profits that same day.
The thing is too is like I live streamed this. I think I put it unlisted. I got cooked again on that
Yeah,
trade. I was I think on the eval I was $30 for to hit my drawdown. My overall just like it's cooked right $30.
yeah,
I ran those $30 with one micro for a week, and I
that's what I'm
got
saying,
it back
bro.
to 1,000.
Yeah, as long as you know, like, as long as you have good risk management and you don't go back in there like revenge trading and shit, and just kind of like take it day by day and look for good setups, it's possible.
Yeah, fuck, dude. It's probably gonna don't not do this. Don't take me up. Yeah, it's just taking me out. Look at that shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I'm saying
Straight
that
down.
price is gonna
Nothing.
we're gonna get a full on volume, bro.
So far, we've had how many candles closures below? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. SPX 2 so far.
Yeah,
How low can this shit?
and you see how this candle is like is pretty heavy on volume too.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not looking at the
I
volume.
mean the closure is not yet, but like you feel me? If you look at the 2 minute, look at that candle that was like at the 670s around there. That was a big fucking candle, bro. So
Let me
that
put the
just
volume
shows
there.
like
Let me see. Volume. You use the regular volume, the
yeah, I use regular.
670s. So 730, that opening candle.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was that volume spike. Same thing happened here at the top. Then that volume came in at the buys here. And that was the
yeah.
low.
But right now, if you look at the 2M, you're just seeing one of those candles where it's like the buyers were trying to hold up in that last 2 minute candle, but you see they're not. Like
It's just fucking whipsawing through all this shit.
it's just see it's gonna tank, bro.
Yeah.
But like I said, I think that we're gonna get a good fucking longs probably at around like 620. If not, we're probably gonna fucking dump pretty fucking
Yeah, it
low.
doesn't look good. Right now you're finally hitting. The reason I was taking those longs too is because you're finally at that mean of that 20-day and that 50-day. You're
Yeah,
right back at there again. So
yeah, that 15 minute
yeah.
looking hella ugly, bro. See, we're already about to touch fucking six
And
thirty. But you see how buyers like you see how the volume is kind of like moving up a little bit more right now.
yep.
That's because buyers are coming in. But the thing is that You feel me? Like sellers have been in control, so it's not gonna do shit. At the end of the day, we're just gonna keep fucking dropping, bro.
Yeah, this looks very bad. I mean, and SPX is getting back to the prior the highs again to test of the highs. How many times has it done that? Ooh, I don't know.
I gotta take a fucking small dub on all that. Yeah, volume is picking up right now. You see that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're at that 20 day. That's what I wanted. I wanted this level to hold, but yeah, sometimes you get those break below that level, and then you start to get
Yeah.
some type of trap, and then you start to make that move back up. Let's see.
That's all we got right there at the. What was it? Like at the 670s. We
Bro,
seen that little. That was like a little trap right there for like people to take longs and shit. But then we got the continuation.
today's a beautiful day to get in and get out.
Yeah,
Today was a
exactly.
beautiful day for the short. The shorts printed fast.
Where's fucking printer, bro?
Yeah, that shit printed really fast.
So I'm saying I looked at the chart, bro. I was at work and shit, so I was busy. But then I looked at the chart and I was like, holy fuck, shit fucking tank.
He said, "Let me take a break real quick."
I was like, hold on, bro. Let me open up like 3 evals to just put in some shorts real quick.
Still low volume. I think we kind of still.
Yeah. I mean, I just wouldn't. I don't know. Like to take a trade right now for me, is too risky.
You use the normal volume, said right?
Yeah, but you still like you're gonna see sellers just fucking take this over again.
Yeah, you're
We're about to
having.
hit fucking 20s, bro.
Look at that.
I'd say 90s from the top this morning to the low so far. Use that fixed volume range. See if you can see a low volume node to see if it could bounce off for a new entry or something.
It would have to be we're slicing. It would have to be until it starts bouncing. That's when you add it from the top to the bottom. Once it
Well, I know it's not the bottom yet. That's why it's kind of hard to judge. That's what I'm saying. It's so far.
Yeah, and it looks heavy too. Like it.
Oh,
Honestly, you have this. I mean, who knows, right? But you have pretty much that low that we had on Wednesday. That to me was a bear trap. And then you had that move up, but that move up wasn't even able to pierce the high. Like it's just, and it tried again this morning to make that move up. Nothing.
Just squeezing tighter and tighter and tighter.
I think
into
it's
a wedge.
So we're about to hit 620.
Yeah, I think these lows finally these higher lows are gonna get pierced because you had, like I said, low, higher low,
Yeah,
higher low, higher
this
low.
shit going through it like nothing, bro.
Yep, just in volume.
Hey, have you guys ever heard about a good faith violation?
Uh,
Faith violation?
no.
GFV? No.
No.
What's that?
I guess a violation for using unsettled funds.
No.
Oh, for you? Oh no, no. Huh.
Oh, what happened?
Nothing. I guess it's just because when I sold my option contracts and the cash didn't settle, and they still allowed me to use it, you know, because technically it's there. I guess if I do that too many times with unsettled cash, it hits me with a violation, which I don't know if it's like a fee or a point, a yellow card. I don't give a fuck really. I'll cash
Bro,
it
what?
out before anything.
Hey, watch this shit bounce off of 620, bro. I swear. That shit will be playing out, bro.
I think by the way it's looking, I think we could probably fucking melt even towards close to.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just keep fucking dumping here, though. Shit nasty.
Get this. fuck.
Bro,
I
imagine.
want to get in, but I get into a short and it pops up.
That's what I'm saying. Bro, imagine someone that takes shorts from the fucking top though. Like,
Yeah, you're
dude, I
fucking
would have
set.
just held that shit. Like, even if it was like, what I would have done was probably just take partials and then left like one runner, bro. This shit would have fucking made you good money right here.
Don't even say that, bro, because I the top and sold.
Uh, yeah, it's because I mean you never know what NQ is gonna do too. But I mean, if you see that salaries are in control, like from the morning, bro, that's what I like. One thing that I've learned is that the sellers are always the ones that are the winners, bro. Like it's easier to sell than to buy. Is what I'm saying. Like I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like when you see a sell off, it's a fucking like it's a sell off, bro. When you see like a longs or like a bunch of buys, it's kind of like I don't know. It's hard to explain, bro. But
Yeah, when the sell off happens, it's fast. Like
yeah, it's fast. That's
it
what I'm
prints you.
saying. Like
Yeah,
you could get in and out quick. You feel me? It's not.
Right
It's
now.
not like buys where like
it's like a
slowly
staircase
it
up.
it's like yeah, like a slow staircase up, and then little spikes in volume. You know what I mean?
You get that move
Yeah,
down.
for long
Fucking
moves,
nuts.
I was
Look
buying
at that.
options, but I think I'm just gonna buy the stocks. I
What a
lose money on
move!
options.
What a fucking move!
Yeah, that shit's nasty, bro.
That is crazy.
I'm about to go in with some micros just
How many
to
points
get
is that already?
So I think like close to 300, right? Probably.
Jesus
It hit
Christ.
my level too, and now it's starting to bounce.
I
yeah,
TP'd
that's
out early. Oh well.
like 300 points on it. Shit.
The only thing that I can see it possibly holding up from here is that it's called the triple tap or the support manipulation
Yeah,
and support again. The power of three. A lot of people like to call it.
yeah. What I feel like, shit. I don't know, bro. Like
Just let it come a little bit lower, and
it's
then we'll
just
see.
not. It's not looking good
No,
for the
it's not.
buyer.
It's not. SPX is you're tagging that prior all time high. That's kind of been the magnet. Every time we move above, we
Yeah,
kind of go back down to grab it. Every time we're below it, we kind of go above it. Then we break above it, and then we're right there again. But dude, I
I'm about
want
to
it.
go in with one micro just to get my, cause I know that you gotta have like trading days and shit.
You
So I
go for
gotta
like a
have
long
what
or
five
what?
five trading days.
I'm
So
gonna
I
go
might.
for it long here. And if I fucking blow these, I blow these. But we buy some more.
There you go.
For real. See, that's the motivation I need, bro. I mean, shit,
My question is,
I blew all the accounts that I had, and that shit, it drained me for a day. But then I was like, bro, if I could do it once, so why can't I do it again?
why
These
does it seem like it's repetitive 90s when you only live, you fuck up?
it's always live. I think it's the pressure. I don't know.
I
It's the
assume. I
fucking pressure.
assume.
When I'm just trading by myself, just going throughout my day, it's like fucking easy.
I
Even when I
know.
lose, I don't lose that much. It's always when I go live, bro. I'm telling you.
It's okay, man. It's okay.
It happens.
That's
It
fine though.
happens.
It's fine.
It's good though. Pressure's good.
It is good. I'm positive. Thank the Lord.
Hopefully, pressure will
Sweet
go
make
away to
diamonds.
where Patrick Wieland live stream will come along soon.
Yeah, but he does it smart. So when you get like an audience and you're live streaming, you're not there. You're not supposed to do it the way I'm doing it here, where you're showing the entries. You're supposed to hide that, and then if you get into a trade, you can show the trade. I think it's like 5 minutes after because it goes against TOS on a lot of prop firms.
Uh,
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. But nobody's watching my shit, so it
so
don't
I assume
matter.
if you're a smacker of a trader like that, you could fucking pay other people really well too.
Yeah, and plus if they're live streaming, they're copying your trades. Well,
Yeah.
you're kind of taking away from the
Yup.
prop firm's money.
Yeah, those longs just got cooked, bro.
Yep, I just got cooked again.
I got into some shorts, but I mean, I'm only on one micro. I'm just trying to get a winning day.
Just the trading days there.
Yeah, the training days. Does it matter if you take an L or
No, as
no?
long as you're at your profit target.
Oh, as long as you
Really,
trade.
as long as
Oh,
no, as long as you're above your profit target. That's all.
yeah, because I'm already above the 9K, so I just need to take 3 more trading days. Fucking liquid is crazy, bro.
I
That
know.
dude full ports his account time.
Yeah,
That's
full ports
Yeah,
them.
every time.
fuck. I mean, if it works, it works.
It's one of his ways, methods. It
Yeah.
works for him. I don't know how. I don't understand. I don't need to. It just works for him. Same thing with Devin. I don't understand him too. Like I think he went 12 minis as the short this morning.
6. He did. I
That's
think he did.
crazy.
So he shorted pre-market, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I bought the pre-market and it pumped, and I still fucking lost on that trade. And then
Damn,
that's when as soon as that opening candle happened, I'm like, okay, now it looks good. Like
Yeah.
now that short looks good. And I shorted that, and I still got fucked. Oh my goodness.
I just took some win trades.
I want to see if that power of 3 is gonna fucking hold. Honestly.
Bro, I hope you guys have a good Friday.
All right, brother. You too.
Have a good weekend.
You too, brother.
Take it easy.
Are you kidding me, man? Stop me out just to fucking go back up. Y'all think we might hold here? Yeah, I think we might fucking hold here, probably. Let me see if I can enter a trade. I'm just gonna hold it and see if it goes towards those lows. If it goes towards those lows, I'm cooked.
Yeah.
I just got a shirt for a spy, and I'm holding that shit to the end of the day. See what it does.
Had a way better entry than that shit too, man. Fuck me. Now it's going back down.
Fuck me. Oh shit.
The only reason I'm doing that is because SPX is having a nice move off of that retest of the highs.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's what I want to see. I think he was gonna hold at least here, and then also 2-minute trap. So we know that if price starts to go below that 2-minute trap wick, kind of cooked. So
Little pump.
no pumperoonie. Where's that gap fill? That gap fill's at the 705s. Of course. Of course. Look
Damn,
at this.
bro. Holy shit.
I'm getting cooked live. Like a
Are you
fillet.
in?
Like a fillet fish. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at it.
I want to see if, because there's this, it's called, I think, the power of 3 pattern. Let me see. Power of 3. No. Power of 3 trading pattern. This is what it kind of looks like. Right here, if you're looking at the live stream. So you had like support, then you had that manipulation, then you had that move up, and then you had that move come back all the way down to test that support. That's how you know this is bearish as fuck if you fail this, because you kind of have that in a bigger time frame. Look, if I zoom out,
Yeah.
you have the support, pushed it to the highs. We manipulated that support down here, pushed it to the highs. Now we're right there, somewhere close to it at least.
We'll break away soon, bro. I don't think it's gonna dump for quite longer.
Still can, though, the way it's looking like. Yeah, it seems like it. And what about SPX? I think SPX's levels down here too, like for that same thing to happen.
Let's see. Let me see.
At this point, like if this candle, I'm gonna put my stops to break even. Fuck that. Like just in case it makes that move back down again.
For sure.
I'm about to get stopped out break even.
No, I smacked him, bro.
Break even. Yeah, that's fine. Just in case it wants to make that move a little bit lower. We still have like some.
Fucking teammates just looting, bro. God damn.
Even with that buy, wait, let me see. Go to the 2 minute. Even with that buy, that is kind of. Yeah, I need to see probably a red volume candle come in here.
That's what I'm trying to say, bro.
Or at least a good
Feel
volume
like
spike or something. Damn, it's holding up here, ain't it?
feel like it's holding. And that's gonna open something up, bro. Buyers are coming into the market. Trust.
Get that we're breaking up, kind of in a way. You're in that vicinity too of that area of the 620s. $11.05. $11.05. Pierce. Oh, it's gonna entice me to enter higher, isn't it? Fuck it. Right. I'll fucking break even this bitch.
How do I get in this bitch? Right now. Risking 1K. That's so fun.
Let's see, where's that? Where was that? Now I'm gonna draw that low volume, no profiles though. See where that takes us. Low volume node. Boom. From here to here. Low volume at the 802s. So roughly there. I'll be right back. It hits break even, it hits break even. But we gamble, we live.
5-minute unfilled gap. This shit's cooked.
Stop me out. Sons of a cocksucker.
I think we're in a gap, bro.
Did all that to stop me out, did ya? Huh? Back in that motherfucker. You said what? You think we're in a gap?
Anymore. It's inverse it.
See if we can hit the 806s. That's where the low volume's at. The point of control is at the highs at 860s. Who knows if we reach all the way back up there at the highs, but I think that point of what time is it? It's we've been trading so far for an hour and a half. So it is pretty still young. I mean, the trading session's still young. Nice move to the downside. And beautiful moves too, but let's see if we can at least print here, man. Need to make some money back here. Fuck.
Fuck it.
We're finally doing something good. Watch it come down and just fucking yeet. Takes my shit. As soon as I say that, bro. As soon as I fucking say that, dude.
Chill. I just entered, bro. I just entered.
Sorry,
Like,
because I'm
I
betting against
just
you.
entered. Like, oh my I'm getting liquidated.
Are you entering micros or?
Yeah.
Hopefully it fucking holds, man. Hopefully it holds. The entry, I had such a better entry at the 8.614s. I should have just held it. I should have just put the stops right below that 2-minute trap and just left it there. This is where you kind of cook yourself because you get stopped out at these higher prices. But now looking good. Let's see if we can get that move back up, man. Let's see. But Zoe, I did that low volume node. Yeah, that low volume node is at about 800s, and the point of control is at the 861s, which is roughly the highs. How crazy would it be if we close roughly flat, or we close back at the highs? How fucking crazy would that shit be?
That would be fucking insane.
Oh yeah, with a move, it would have been the highs 291, and then probably back up if it wants to go back up again. 251.
Please don't cook me, bro.
Yeah, these entries right here are tough up here. Because I've seen it right here, Theo, where you get a fucking move down fast, boom, and then that candle closes with a nice wick. Like and it happens during these up moves, man. They fucking suck. That's why the entry there, like at that 2-minute trap, was it.
Yeah.
What are you running right now? Apex?
Yeah.
50K is your what account size?
Yeah. 50Ks. 50Ks. Bro, I need it.
That I'm gonna put some stops right here. I'll let it ride. Fuck it. I'm gonna go grab some tea. I'm just gonna let this shit ride. We'll see what it does, man. Grab some tea. Fuck, man. Of course.
I'm about to be stuck in eval jail for years, bro. That's how I'm moving.
How long have you been trading?
3 months.
3 months.
4 months.
You're a fucking youngster in this game.
Yeah, bro. I don't know. I took 2 winning trades, and now I'm back negative again. Trades I did take were low risk, so I only made like a couple.
Start respecting it right there.
Is this the entry number 2?
I'm still in the same trade that I was in. Exact same trade.
You want to get back in? I got out.
Haven't closed it. I have a stop a little bit. I have a stop at the 642s.
See how we handle it. This. I'll enter if we break above this. Open up some logs, bro. Watch football, bro.
Come on, make me even for the day, and then Monday we're back at it. Come on.
Longs runs up.
Yeah, that's why I didn't close the initial longs that I got in at.
Let's go 90s. Do, 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 do.
Yeah, this is fun. Hilarious.
Have you gotten coffee yet?
I got some tea.
Nice.
Oh shit, I'm gonna have to unshare my screen just real quick. Need to check my email.
Don't you have a second monitor?
Yeah, but I can't share that.
How would you share it? Does it show as soon as you click onto it?
Yeah. What the fuck's going on?
I have it set up to where.
Give me
they're
1
both.
second. Got a phone call. Sorry, chat.
You good?
I'm almost done, and I'll reshare my screen in a bit. Just fucking seeing if this is gonna go through here.
You go after the live stream. Shit
I
done.
have to check my email. I'm almost done.
Oh,
Checking my
okay.
email. Is it a black screen for you?
Well, yeah, I'm watching. Yeah,
Okay,
it's black
good,
screen.
good. That's what it should
No
be.
personal info.
Yeah, good. All right, I should be fine. Let me see. All right.
Fuck. Up and away. Transaction fee. It cents be adding up, man.
At this point, it's either I fucking this trade goes well or I blow the account. Like at this
wait,
point,
what's the size that you're trading with again?
the 50K.
No, but are you going in with minis, micros? What are you doing?
Literally just on TradingView, just putting like I'm pretty sure I'm doing minis.
That's why do micros, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's like
It just gives you more chances to be wrong. That's all. Like if I would have done minis here, I would have blown these 5 accounts already live.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah. I'm literally just trading on NQ.
Trade M and Q.
Yeah, NQ on my chart is just I don't know why I don't trade it. It's my risk. My risk on this shit is crazy. I'll be risking like 1K per trade.
Excuse me. You only have 2 good trades then.
Why are we going down? God. I was just green.
I'm still a little bit green. I want to see if it's gonna.
I just got rid of my fucking short position too. Some bullshit. It scared me away.
That point of control. I think there's that 713, 720s area. I think we start getting above that. We should start to like slowly creep to like the 800s probably. That's where we're kind of fighting right now. We're fighting that 700s area.
We gotta have a pump. We got to have a pump. Oh, we at 600.
Take profit at.
My take profit. My first TP is 800. Now, if we get there in the next hour or so, or next let's say 2 hours, I'll probably raise it to like towards the high. See if we can at least pierce the highs.
800?
Yeah.
I get that. I fucking account. Like the tightest stop loss ever. Stop loss is funny as fuck.
So far, there have been a lot of nice moves to play with since the morning.
Yeah, there has been. It's been good shorts, obviously. And then obviously this long is textbook because of that power of 3 pattern.
You called it too.
Huh?
The minute you said it, I said the minute you were talking about it, she started pumping.
Yeah, but that's like a good thing that I'm live streaming. That way, what was my mistake? My mistake was trying to get long prematurely and making my my L's a little bit more deeper than they should have been. I should have just waited for that power of 3.
I need to get a second monitor so I can watch your live stream too.
You called it, bro. I was just down 700. I'm up 600. Fuck.
I'm just gonna hold this call until today's high. Hopefully we hit it.
Yeah, and another thing too, like not all the time, but most times, you'll see just like what Theo was referring to, when it dumps and it dumps quick like that, that's actually what you want to see if you're in a bull market. You want to see those dumps and those dumps quick. Now it's just up to us to pinpoint, okay, it's dumping fast, where can it dump to? And that was always a level I was eyeing, and I just, like I said, I was longing premature. On my live streamer, are you able to hear the music? Like the chill music?
I mean, no, I muted it because I'm able to listen.
I can hear it. But I can also hear you. That's why I muted it.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. That's good.
He said the chill music. Yo, I was watching the show Cops with my cousin the other night. Them motherfuckers were ruthless yesterday. I mean, before without them body cameras.
I usually think like trades like this wouldn't work out. So like you're fighting so much resistance. Am I wrong?
No, you're right. That's where you. That's where the context matters. And you, like I said, you mentioned it. You actually want these moves quick. When you think about it, we opened and we bottomed an hour later. As of now, right? Who knows if the market's going to go lower from this point? Would you say that's pretty early in the session?
Oh yeah,
More so.
More so, right?
Yeah.
So, with that in mind, that means there's a possibility that this could continue to move up. Remember, like I always say, the market's gonna do whatever the market's gonna do. I could be wrong, and it could just U-turn, make lower lows from here. But I think that power of 3 setup in a bull market, as SPX just went back to retest that prior all-time high, I think there's some validation here for some upside, or at least pin it close to the 800 somewhere, you know. Honestly, at this moment in time, I think if it hits the 806s, I will break even, or if not, be slightly in profit. That's all I would take. I'll probably trail it tightly at that point. And then we'll be back on Monday, see what the market looks. I was looking
800. I passed my account.
at 800.
Yeah.
Okay, don't get fixated. Just like remember, just try to make whatever the L's you had, make those back. That's the important thing. That way, at least you got a ease of mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to take profits. But if I start getting
So you're making the move back down a little bit here.
I need structure. Maybe I'm tripping. I'll just hold this position forever. That's what it's looking like.
Hold the dough. You guys ever seen Game of Thrones?
Never guys seen Game of Thrones?
Yeah.
Nah. Been hearing about it for a while though. I haven't seen it.
Well, look at you. You binge watching.
What's up with the gang members?
Word longs, bro. Popping right now.
Your ones.
You smiley? What the fuck?
Yeah. I'm playing. That looks like a good long though. From the lows, right at that second gap though. You gotta put your internet, bro. All right, guys. We'll see you guys later.
All right, bro.
All right, bye.
My Wi-Fi?
Low-key hungry. I passed this account. I'm gonna fucking start tripping out, dog. '90s.
Yo.
Why do you think it's gonna hit 800s? If you mind me asking.
Because there's want me to let me I'm gonna move to let me show you the low volume control so far. Let me go to NQ. So this is a low volume profile. Now it doesn't mean it's gonna hit the 800s, right? That's not, it doesn't mean that. But what this means is what I did is I'll show you, since you're on TradingView, I'll show you. I got this low volume profile. It's right where you can show your projections of positioning. It's called volume base. It's called fixed range volume profile. I choose that. Oh, I'll show the wrong one. I choose that. Then I take it from the high here, this candle, to the low. Now this is your low. This is, there was, once we started slicing through butter. Right here. See how there's like low volume right there? That here is roughly around the 780s to 800s. And then this black line that automatically places, this is your point of control. So these two, if we were to continue to make this move up like we are doing now, if it were to work out, these tend to act like magnets right here. Boop, 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 boop. Right here. And then right here. These levels tend to act like magnets. Right, this is given that if we make that move up like we are kind of making that move up as of now. So you want to, your first TP, you're roughly targeting about the 790s. Second TP is roughly the highs. And it seems like it is bouncing. And obviously when you look at context, when you zoom out, where did we get that dump? That dump, so this whole move, we've been in a big range this whole time, right? Huge range since pretty much the 7th of January. Nice range. I think that range is roughly about 300 points. 400 point range, pretty much. Move down, 400 points, move up, move down, move up. Kind of fixated here, but then we move down, then we move up, down, down. What did we test? We tested that pattern of 3 that I was showing you. Power of 3 trading pattern. Images. Where you have some type of, like roughly this is how it looks like, give and take. Like you have support. Okay, let's go back to NQ. Let me delete this. Support, right? Support right here. That's right here, support. Then you had that break of support, boom, which is here. That manipulation. Then you had that move up. And then that move down, all it did is it retested that prior area of support before the manipulation, which would be pretty much here, roughly around these levels here. It's not going to be an exact pinpoint, but roughly around there, right? That's why. So if this continues to work out like it looks like it is as of now, hopefully it doesn't just U-turn and it stops me out. But you at least want to see it get close to the 800s. So 780, 790 should be your TP 800s. And then, like, let's say we reach that, like I said, the next hour and a half or so. Well, then you can probably target at that moment in time. That moment in time, you put your stops, you trail it as soon as it hits those areas, and then you start trailing it to see if it has the push back towards those highs, which is that point of control there. And look at when I zoom out on SPX too, with context, this was, let me see here. This was the prior all-time high, right? Prior all-time high, that high dumped us all the way down to that major low that we had. Now, ever since then, we've been piercing it little by little. Move up, move down. This move down, all it did is it retested that key level, the prior all-time high. So we'll see. We'll see if this long works out. Hopefully it does. And if it doesn't, well, we'll change our thesis and we'll see what Monday brings for us. But that's pretty much.
I'm still taking home profit.
What happened?
Up. If it doesn't, I'm still taking home profit anyways.
Yeah. Are you in profit right now on your long?
Yeah.
Okay, well, secure something there then, brother. Like, just secure something. That way, if it does do a U-turn, you have some money, you're break even, or you're at least a little bit up for the day, and you don't have to worry about it. You have a clean mind and ready to trade Monday.
Wait, today's Friday?
Yeah.
Fuck. Fucking hate the weekends.
It's real. I think I just might take 1K, bro.
Oh, fuck yeah, take that.
Take it, bro. Just, if it's something, if it gets to your account.
You never know.
Yeah. Because we are diddling in the middle. That long, at least my long was a little bit okay-ish. But the initial long that I took was better. And what did I do? I psyched myself out because of the losses I've had today. And that's where you get to where you at least break even or make a little bit of the money. You're not going to make that mistake when you're up. You make more mistakes when you're down because you're trying to make that money back.
Understandable. I'm gonna take this 1K.
Hey man, we're up in life right now. We're awake.
And if it does go up and you're like, damn, I could have made X amount, so be it. At least now you know, okay, cool. I took the money. It did go to that projection. Good. And it went to that projection because of X, Y, Z. And that's what you want to journal down. That way you can just get familiar with it. You're still young in the game, bro. Like remember, the first 5 years for me, I was a loser. First 5 to 6 years, I was losing money. So if you can learn from us and shorten up that learning curve, that's even better for you.
Bro. Well, I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, of course, bro.
I just took my profits. I think I'm gonna get off for the.
Have a good weekend, man.
The remainder, bro.
Oh yeah, enjoy your weekend.
Yeah, you guys too. You guys have a good weekend, bro.
All right, Theo. Take it easy, brother.
Back Monday. Yeah,
we'll be back Monday. Tommy, what's up, Tommy?
What's happening?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What's up? You milked the market. You closed at a perfect time, Smiley.
I know.
Looking insane.
Let's see that shit.
I'm seeing if these longs can at least take me to the 800s and see if that point of control is roughly at the highs that we made for the day. If we can get there somewhere. If we can do that, I'll at least break even. I'm down
Dude,
$300
I
now.
literally went and tapped my alert, bro, and then reversed.
Yeah, power of 3, man. That level was crucial there. That fucking level, that down level there. Fucking what's his name? Javi called it out to
Gap
a T.
fill. That was that gap fill.
Javi goes, dude, if it hits anywhere between 620s and it goes a little bit lower, watch it fucking pump back up. Sure shit. Fucking made a 2-minute trap.
Bro, it's that gap.
Oh, what?
That was your
Look. I'll show you right here.
You're talking about yesterday's gap fill?
Look at the. Yeah.
Yep.
No. The one that we were trying to fill yesterday. We went past yesterday. And then the one that we didn't fill from yesterday, we filled and then reversed from there.
Yep.
Look, the general chat right now.
Don't say hell yeah.
Right where that line's at.
I swear to God. Did you really fucking put hell yeah?
Oh shit, you can't see my alert line?
No, it doesn't screenshot when you do that.
Yeah. I'm just gonna. There we go. Right here is where the alert shit is. Do you guys get it?
1 second.
That's Gaffil right there.
Let's see.
If you zoom out.
Yep, I see that dotted line. Yep. Yep, and then when you zoom out,
right
that's
where
what I was
Gaffil
showing.
is.
I was showing Theo. When you zoom out too, this move down
Just
looks.
look at
This move down looks like the
Just look at
power of
SPX
3.
chat.
And all SPX did is it made that move down. What did it test? That prior all-time high. That prior all-time high that we can't, for whatever reason, every time we go above it, we just can't squeeze. But that's all it hit. It hit that prior all-time high and it held so far. So far. And I should have fucking waited too, because when I was trying to buy a little bit premature, I was looking at SPX and I was thinking, damn, what if it does go all the way down to test that the prior all-time high? Sure as shit, dude. It went down to test that prior all-time high. Now I'm seeing if I can target at least the 800s. And if we continue to make that move up, at least that high, pretty much, the 859s.
All right, so let's look at the markets here.
Little beautiful
We
candle
could
on hourly.
Honestly, we could reject here. This could be the turning point. If we're short,
Probably.
we could reject here because there is divergence.
I'm going to hold these longs, though.
Huh?
Probably, but I'm going to hold
From
these
that
longs.
7 a.m. candle on the 15-minute. You see that?
Yep.
And we're above the 7:30 to your 8:30 hourly candle, and on NQ we're below it.
Ugh. What?
Actually, no.
Talk is needy.
To me, it just... This was a nice move down at open. Beautiful move to the downside. And all it did is it hit major support on both SPX. Like if it was a really bearish move, we should have had a nice little bounce up with a little bullish trap and then a rollover. We're not getting that.
Nah. Because this is the 200 moving average, bro. So, like, you got to think about it. If we're going to go, we're back up to it, right? On NDX Cash. So, let's say we reject there. Like, we're about, what, 20 points away from it? 15 points?
Kind of makes sense. That's where that low volume node is at. 780s, which is what? Oh, it's like 40 points away.
And then we have this 15-minute divergence that's holding.
Like I was telling Theo, and then
which is less than 20 points away, which is more than 20 points away. So honestly, we could potentially climb a little bit, but then make some more divergence and done for the rest of the day.
But how funny would it be, since OPEX, beautiful move at open, 300 points or something like that, right at open, or 200 something, close to 300. Just an hour, just 1 hour into the session. What if we fucking close flat for the day? We close at the highs.
But how many times have we done that, though, Sergio?
On OPEX a lot. That's what I'm saying. We've done that on OPEX a lot.
Just in the past couple days, like past couple weeks.
Oh, we normally close at the lows, and we've been having those moves after sessions, which that's like after candle close.
Like they'll just swing.
I'm talking
balls.
about the same New York session.
I think we're gonna have 2 legs down. I think we have 2 legs down. Personally,
there's a chance, Smiley, that this could have been the low. If this low gets taken out, the low that we just made, if it gets taken out sometime next week, then I'll think like, okay, now I think we have this free fall and we can take out those higher lows that we were talking about yesterday. That staircase up. You know how we had that staircase up? It could be staircase up since the 20-something of November. And if we start to breach these lows that we just made, it can be elevator down. Potentially, yeah, potentially. But I like the way we're holding here. Those so beautiful, bro, so fucking beautiful, and I missed it. Beautiful shorts as soon as New York Open happened. NQ took out that London high. Then beautiful fucking longs too, as it held support and SPX came down to test the prior all-time high. Like it doesn't get no fucking beautiful.
Bro, like we're holding on NQ. If we reject this VWAP right now, bro, we're going down. We might not 200. Keep it 1,000.
I'm on my TPs at the 806s, I think. Let's see if it's getting close to there in the next hour. Let's say hypothetically, if it doesn't reject off the VWAP and it's at the 800.
Okay, so
I'm gonna hold it.
NQ is about to test that 200 moving average. On cash. All right, NDX.
Zo, are you in anything? Or?
We're 8 points.
The trade?
Yeah, you're not nothing right now.
No, I took 300.
But I mean, if it fails here, it's gonna drag the moving average.
Nice.
Definitely should have held
technically
it.
Touch. So
all good.
Yeah, shit happens.
All I know is I got in at the top and just trailed it. And then I just seen a wick that I didn't like, so I was like, yeah, I'll probably TP around here.
yeah, we just touched it on the 2-minute.
The VWAP?
The 200.
200?
Casey this morning, she got on the short side. She's like, I knew it. I'm like, in my head, I'm like,
how did you know it? How did you know it?
This,
no thesis, just I knew it.
If we, you see that 2-minute high that's right there that we're damn near right there by on NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
From about 708 or 808.
2-minute high, 808. Yep.
If we don't push above that, it's shorts. Because we're already above that on SPX. We're way above that shit on SPX.
That,
We're way above that shit.
yeah, but that's what I'm saying is like at the context of
So
which
that's
all
why I
this
think we
too, it
could
matters.
potentially have that other leg down.
That's what I'm saying. But if we do get that leg down, then I agree with you. Then I agree. We get that leg down. Those levels, those lows on at 885s. Well, that would be on NQ actually. Yeah, 426s. I think it's a higher chance of getting breached now. So 426s, and then you start to pierce the 250s low, and then after that you got that low on the 17th of December, which is 24,888. Like those are on the table if we can't sustain this upward move. Like I agree.
Exactly.
But so far that grind up is it's a nice slow grind up.
Yeah.
And that's what I like. It's like a controlled move
But then
up.
again, you know what I'm saying? Also go for these highs if you're looking at from 646 in the morning. It take those out before coming down.
Kind of cutting off a little bit.
If you look, you can also look at those highs from 646 in the morning on SPX. If this fails,
Your time
like to the
646,
down,
right?
this does not. If this keeps on going up, huh?
Your time at 646? Yeah, I see.
Yes, so 746 your time.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's all the way up there on NQ.
Because those are the levels people are going to start short.
Oh no. Yo.
So let's just see if NQ
What up, Tommy?
can push above this high right here. That first high that we were talking about. And then if it doesn't, then let's see if we can get short here.
Yeah, and just react to it. Like if you start seeing something, just react to it. It's funny because when I was taking those longs, it wasn't me reacting. Those longs that kind of cooked me a little bit. It was me just kind of fulfilling my thesis. Then when the longs happened at the bottom, I just reacted to it. Down it started to work out. Was close to calling the bottom. Yup. You did call it.
I'm gonna get on there. I'm gonna be like, nigga, I been called it. I'm playing.
Oi, mate.
Oh my god.
What happened, son?
Spies playing turtleneck with me.
Are you still shorting Spy?
No, I have two long calls. Well, I have
Okay.
two calls. Dos llamadas. Hotline bling, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Nigga, life was great when that song came out.
Facts. Life was great. Life was great, bro. Why are you go back? Oh my gosh. So we still haven't reached that high, and we're kind of rolling over. So I bought some puts right now.
Yeah, I should have got out on that one. I fucked up.
I'm trying to see if we can get this end of day flush. Because you see, it's starting to turn. It just turned PM session right now. So So just think about all the big boys. They just came back from lunch, so we're gonna start seeing some volume start heading in here within the next 10
They say we're gonna
to
fuck these
20
little
minutes,
niggas
10
up.
to 30 minutes.
I'm getting out. Fuck this call. I should have probably kept one, but whatever. Oh, hey, Smiley.
Hmm.
Since you trade on Robinhood sometimes, should I stop trading if I have negative unsettled cash?
Why the you have negative unsettled cash? Are you using market?
Huh? No, I'm using my own money. The thing it goes
What?
negative is because it takes 1 business days for the transactions to fully process.
So you're still using money to trade, right?
My own money though, yeah.
I don't understand what you're saying. I've never went negative. Okay.
Well, the settled cash is negative. Now my cash balance or
I
my
think
net
it. Did you try to deposit something and it didn't go through?
No, it's not that. Okay, so my net
Are you on a
account
cash
value is
account or a margin account?
a cash.
Are you on a cash account or a margin account?
Cash.
Are you sure?
Yes, nigga. I make debit card deposits every time I trade.
Nigga, go in your settings.
Nigga,
Go in your
trust
settings.
me. If I was in margin account, nigga, I would
Go
know.
in your settings. Go in your settings.
Got
Go
it.
in your settings. Click investing.
Account management.
Scroll
okay.
down to where it says account type. What does it say?
Let me see. Individual cash, yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, you're good.
No, I'm telling you, the only reason why it's negative, it's only like the settled cash. You get what I'm saying? Because let's say that I have $100 in my account, right? I buy a contract, it goes well, I make $50 profit, I cash it out. But then if I try to utilize that same money before it settles, you get a fee, you get like a penalty, GFB, some fucking bullshit. But I don't know if it's gonna be like a money fee or a restriction. I guess I'm just gonna have to wait and see. Fuck it. I'm gonna fuck around and find
I
out.
don't understand what you're saying.
It's all right. When I figure it
Yeah,
out,
just let me know. Yeah, just let me know.
If the feds come and get me, you know why. What? I'm all fucking unsettled cash.
Do we talking about freely on?
Do the feds come after negative unbalanced unsettled cash?
I don't know. I doubt it. I hope not. Shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we talking about freely on till it's backwards, bro.
Dude, this is nice.
You see that right there? Sergio, where you at? Please tell me you're sure.
Bro. Oh, this
Sergio.
time I did 5 micros. Hell yeah.
Sergio.
Yo, can you hear me?
Good shit, Tommy. Trailer stop.
Hell yeah.
What's good, Sergio?
Don't tell me it's. Oh my god. I'm
I
probably
hear
break
you.
even now. I'm probably break
Bruh,
even
I
now.
told you to short that shit.
Oh my god.
I told you to short it. I literally said I bought puts. Sergio. Nigga, we just broke down the whole play together.
He just broke his computer.
He said, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Just trail your stops. Make sure you're not giving too much back.
Yep, I'm about to get stopped out right.
How much are you up?
270.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice. It's okay. I'll take that.
I'm still holding it.
New entry, new entry.
You went on shorts? Cortados?
Oh, 90s. I'm so glad I've been muted. I've been throwing slurs like a motherfucker. This game's pissing me off.
That's good, you and me.
Damn retarded teammates, dude. They're so slow pushing. I don't understand. I'm already on teams by the time they fucking
First.
way
Screaming
closer.
his ass off now. He's all calm.
Oh, nice. I spawned in alone. Oh, there we go.
All right, let's get it. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna have to mute myself.
Come on.
This-
Follow through. Are you ready to dump it?
Bro, come on.
Dump it.
That was a
Dump
good
it. Dump
that was a pullback enough.
Dump it. I know that wasn't enough fucking pullback. Fuck.
Here we go. Here we go.
These bulls want it. They want to hold this.
They want it. See, they wanted enough. You at work now? Smiley?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm about early in. I need to start getting ready.
What time?
At 10.
Oh shit! What are you working?
M3 North with it.
M3. No. Oh, I'm breaking you, bruh.
Yes,
Oh wait,
sir.
no, I'm not. Fuck. You're Tanisha's fucking relief, huh?
Who the fuck's Tanisha?
Taylor. Not Tanisha.
Tanisha. I'm dead. Okay, got another one.
Bro. Playing.
It can go more. It can go more. Dang, how many points was that in the beginning? In the open? That's just like fucking. Holy shit.
Do you know how to see?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right here. So you're at
See
580,
with the
589 to.
with the measuring tape. Use the measuring the ruler, and then draw it from the top to the bottom.
Okay, the ruler. All right, I got it. The ruler.
Okay, the ruler. All right. And then the cursor where like the top is, and then draw it all the way to the bottom.
Dang, it shows you how much volume was moved right there too. That's dope. And how many?
Mm-hmm.
How much time? That's dope.
Yeah, there's hella different tools you can use on there, bro. Okay, so there's a manipulation.
See what it does. How does it react?
I wouldn't be surprised if this candle just dumps it.
What's it looking like right now? Ooh,
Manipulate
still
continuation.
holding that high there.
Look at that manipulation though.
Continuation up.
Look at how that candle's getting ate up
No,
right
he's
now.
talking about how the manipulation happened to the downside, and it's continuing that manipulation, right? To the downside.
No, it just manipulated up. We had that break, and then the SPX, all it did was it went and tested that 200 moving average and came right back below it.
Interesting.
Because when at the lows, SPX was below the 200. It was below all of them. And then we popped right above, and then this red candle kind of taking us below. But let's see where this shit closes actually. They want to use it as strength, or they want to take it down. Yeah, look at that. See if we can start breaching some lows here. Come on, go, 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 go.
Oh my god, 90s. I'm playing with a Brazilian right now, dude, and I keep asking him questions. He told me like he barely speaks English, but like I understand him enough. But obviously he knows how to speak it, but not really understand it. With being said, I asked him, I was like, how's the tourist area there? And he's like, the loot is very bad on Brazil servers, so I have to come to US servers. And I'm like, what? Like, what was that response? I asked him again, and he said the exact same thing. And I'm like, okay, like, you are very little fucking English. Fucking killed me.
That's funny. The loot, the loot is really bad.
All right, I'm starting getting ready for it. All right, peace out, you guys.
Peace, brother.
All right. I'll see you in a second, G. Oh, shit. Yo. I almost passed out right now in the bathroom, stretching. Yo, imagine I passed out at work, bro. That shit would be bad. That shit would have been bad. Come on. Here's us that rejection. Come on. Is this fun?
Is this just a holding there? Yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna end the stream and then we'll see what the trade looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna end it.
All right.